Hello everyone, how you doing? I'm here to show you how to participate on our presale in FanCircle token presale using your Trust Wallet right here. First thing you need to do to fund your Trust Wallet with your BNB with your smart chain. Then you come down to this your DAO app. So you paste the link in your DAO browser. Okay, I mean the DXL link. You paste it in your DAO browser. So then you're going to change your Ethereum to smart chain network to be able to access the site. Okay, so let's wait for the site to load right now. Let's wait. Okay, this is it. You click on continue with. You have to connect your wallet to make it successful. Okay, hold on, still loading. Okay, you click on confirm. You scroll down to accept the terms and condition. Then after that, you confirm. Yeah, here is it. This is it. FanCircle presale. So this is it here. This is it here. And you type in your BNB, the amount of BNB you want to contribute. Then you click on contribute here. Did you get that now? The presale end in 1 hour. Can you see it? Don't miss this. Don't miss this great opportunity. Don't miss this. So once you input your BNB, your smart chain here, the amount of BNB you want to contribute, then you click on contribute. Can you see it? Can you see it? Just because I didn't put any amount, that's the reason why. Did you get what I'm saying now? After that, you're going to receive successful notification on your screen. Can you see it? And don't forget to like. Did you get that now? Don't forget to like.